Alright, so we got this piece that I printed again. See how it comes off of here. Oh boy. Oh, that was rough. That required a lot of force. I'm gonna have to clean that now. But looks pretty good. Everything's pretty even on there. So I'd say that was pretty much a success. I think I still want to get the nozzle just a little bit closer. So where I had it at negative 2.58, now it's at negative 2.6. Might increase it to negative 2.62 and then go from there, but I think so far it's looking pretty good. Maybe I won't adjust it, who knows.